Welcome to the best picks. The best Scx24 Escape is probably one of the most crucial components for any serious micro-crawler enthusiast looking to elevate their Axial SCX24's performance, transforming a capable miniature rig into an unstoppable force on the trails with enhanced throttle control, smoother low-speed crawling, and improved overall reliability, making every rock garden and technical climb a more enjoyable and precise experience. Number 5. Axial AE6 ESC-RXAXI31620. Experience precision and reliability with this essential component for your RC vehicle. It's designed to seamlessly integrate, giving you superior command. This unit expertly manages your car's speed, ensuring a consistent and responsive driving experience. It delivers power efficiently, optimizing performance on any terrain. Beyond speed control, it also functions as your vehicle's receiver. This dual-purpose design simplifies your setup and reduces clutter. Navigate with complete freedom thanks to its forward and reverse capabilities. This feature allows for versatile maneuvers and easy recovery in any situation. Perfect for a wide range of RC car applications, it's a vital accessory for enthusiasts. This component ensures your vehicle operates at its peak potential. What we like. This unit offers a straightforward forward and reverse control, making it a reliable choice for basic operations. Its integrated receiver simplifies your electronic setup, reducing clutter. If you are looking for a simple, reliable stock replacement that gets the job done without fuss, this is an excellent option. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 4. Axial SCX24 2204 2500 kV Brushless Motor Upgrade Kit. Experience unparalleled control with this kit. It offers smooth, linear throttle at low speeds, perfect for precise crawling. Plus, you'll get rapid response at higher RPMs for thrilling trail adventures. This upgrade is engineered for direct compatibility with your Axial SCX24. It seamlessly integrates with stock gearboxes and even -RC LCG chassis. Unleash superior performance with its high torque capabilities. Boasting a 2500 kV rating and 250 W max power, it delivers an optimized balance of torque and speed. The included ESC features advanced AM32 firmware support. This allows for customizable tuning parameters, giving you pro-level driving and braking performance. Get everything you need in one comprehensive package. It includes the powerful 2204 brushless motor, a robust DS40A40A ESC, a 0.3 mod 26T motor pinion, and a sturdy motor mount. What we like. This complete kit provides a significant performance boost with its brushless motor and ESC. It offers precision power control and supports advanced AM32 firmware for customizable tuning. If you are looking for a comprehensive upgrade to enhance both torque and speed with professional-level tuning capabilities, this kit is perfectly suited for your SCX24. What people say. Number 3. INJORA MB100G2 Brushed ESC. Experience reliable performance even in challenging wet conditions. This upgraded G2 version features improved sealing, ensuring it can handle various environments with ease. Its more compact design means a smaller footprint, making installation simpler than ever. You'll find it fits perfectly into your setup without hassle. Customize your setup with ease using the mobile app. It allows you to adjust various parameters, giving you precise control over its performance. Designed with IP67 waterproofing, it adapts to diverse climate conditions. Just remember to clean and dry it promptly after immersion to maintain optimal performance. Gain even more control with auxiliary channel parameter adjustment. This feature allows you to map and adjust additional settings directly through the app, enhancing your customization options. What we like. This ESC boasts an IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring reliable performance even in challenging wet conditions. Its app-based tuning allows for real-time parameter adjustments, offering unparalleled customization. If you frequently drive in varied climates and desire a highly customizable setup for your mobile device, this compact unit is an ideal choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract helpful points as the source was empty. Number 2. INJORA MBL32G2 Esc and 1721 Purple Viper motor. Introducing the INJORA MBL32G2 Brushless Esc and 1721 Purple Viper motor. This powerful combo is specifically designed for your 124 Scx24 microcrawler. It's meticulously tailored for microcrawlers, built on AM32 firmware. Its factory settings are optimized for INJORA 1721 2204 motors, so adjustments are not recommended. Experience smooth and linear control at low speeds, transitioning to powerful and aggressive performance at high speeds. This system runs more quietly than traditional brushed setups, producing virtually no noise. With its robust waterproof design, you can confidently take your rig out in any weather condition. It ensures reliable performance, no matter the environment. Please note, this system is not compatible with stock 2-in-1 receiver and ESC units. Also, avoid flashing or modifying its firmware, as unauthorized changes void the warranty. The 1721 motor may produce some normal noise at mid-throttle due to its high-speed, open-rotor design. This sound is a characteristic of its performance and does not indicate a defect. The 1721 Purple Viper is best suited for rigs weighing under 700 grams. For heavier setups, we recommend the 2204 Fat Viper for superior drag brake performance. What we like. This brushless combo, based on AM32 firmware, delivers incredibly smooth low-speed control and powerful high-speed performance. Its waterproof design ensures all-weather reliability for your microcrawler adventures. If you prioritize a quiet, high-performance brushless system with excellent low-speed linearity and all-weather capability, this combination is specifically optimized for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 1. Spektrum 10A Brushed 2-in-1 ESC SLT Receiver. Discover the ultimate control for your brushed RC vehicles. This innovative combo brings together essential components in one compact unit. Experience smooth and reliable power delivery. Its 10 amp capacity ensures consistent performance for a variety of brushed motors. Enjoy dependable connectivity with its built-in SLT receiver. It provides a robust link between your transmitter and vehicle. Simplify your electronics setup with this integrated solution. It saves space and reduces wiring complexity in your model. Upgrade your RC experience with this efficient and powerful unit. It's designed for easy installation and superior performance. What we like. This 2-in-1 combo integrates both the ESC and an SLT receiver, streamlining your electronics and saving space. It provides reliable brushed motor control for consistent performance. If you are looking for a simple, space-saving solution with an integrated receiver for your brushed setup, this combo offers excellent convenience and functionality. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.